Number 1, Twitter. Twitter is one of the best programs used by all people who have succeeded in selling their NFT. It can be said that Twitter is the best program that you can use to sell your NFTs, but this does not mean that we should only work on this social media and ignore other social medias. Twitter along with other social medias can very well make your NFT collection famous. By searching the phrase "shill your NFT" in the search section of this social media, you can find people who are buyers of NFTs and like to buy the NFTs that are introduced to them. While many of them may lie and do this just to attract more followers. But why should we not do what makes NFTs more famous? Number 2, Discord. Most gamers are familiar with Discord. Discord is also one of the best social medias for building a server and other features such as whitelisting others on this server so that they can benefit from the offers and features that you have set aside for them, enlarging the community of your collection and further cooperation with other collections and the use of their facilities. In addition to having a very interesting space, Discord also has very useful features. You can organize your own giveaways in this social media and make more people eager to support the collection. Discord can be a bit more difficult to work with than other social media, but why not do something that makes you more popular on NFT? Number 3, it doesn't work on my laptop. Number 3, Instagram. Instagram, which most of you are familiar with and know about its good features. In Instagram, you can make your NFT more famous, and by viralizing your track, you can get many followers who like your NFTs. You can post pictures of your NFTs or anything related to your NFTs in this social media. Of course, it is better to work more on your posts and not just pictures of NFTs like mine. You can post useful posts about what NFT is and what its uses are. And number 4, YouTube. Exactly where you are watching my video is one of the best ways to advertise your NFT and your collection. YouTube, with its high potential and can attract more audience to your collection, it is better to use it. If you make videos about NFTs and your collection, the possibility of your progress will multiply, and if you have a YouTube channel, that's great. Wherever you like, you can advertise your collection. This is one of the best social media for promoting your NFTs. I hope I helped you sell NFTs. Until the next video, stay rich.
To my